PTA Day is a day that people from around this nation come together to accept one another as who they are, for everything they stand for, no matter who they are, what they do, the color of their skin. They band together and celebrate differences and accept each other for who they are, their uniqueness. It is a day to say that we are going to say no to bullying. It stops today. We wear orange to commemorate that and to unify it as a family. Here at Frank Roberts, we want to be a culture of kindness here. No bullying is accepted here at our school. Here at our school at Frank Roberts, we teach the kids that if they see something, they say something. There are signs all over campus that say that. The signs say the definition of bullying, and then there's a sign right next to it that says, if you see something, say something. So that's key here, you know? And so I always tell the kids, if you see something, you say something. Be an upstander. Don't just be a bystander. Say something to somebody. I think it is probably one of the most important things that a school can promote. And because it allows a child to feel safe at school. And when you feel safe and you feel at home at school, academics thrive. And so I think it is just like super important to promote bully awareness, to address bully behaviors in the school. Many times kids don't realize that they are exhibiting those bully behaviors. And so we try to help them. We want them to realize that, and we will change. We change. Those children that I have, you know, had to bring in and talk to, we role play it, and many times they don't realize, because I'll play the bully. I'll play the bully, and you know, in the role play, and they look at me like, wow, they don't realize, you know, they're still little, very impressionable. So many times they realize it, and they're sorry for their behaviors. It's very important. It's extremely important that they learn right now the difference between being a bully, being rude, and making up for it through kindness. It's very important, especially because they're extremely impressionable. Teachers are amazing here. They're the best teachers, for sure, hands down. They support all of our programs here. They're just amazing. They're awesome. Foundation starts in elementary school. That's where we build the students up socially, emotionally, academically. Everything they learned in elementary school. Then in middle school and high school, they just, they grow on what they've already learned in elementary school. They learn to read, write, add, subtract, math. They do all that here. And then my job is to teach them their social skills, character building, kindness, friendship. So they learn all those skills here. It's very foundational. And then we hope that they move on to middle school and high school with those skills, and that just like academics, they grow with those skills. They grow. I brought a team from each grade level in to design their banners, pick what they want to write on their banner, how they wanted to, what pictures they wanted to put on there, how they wanted to promote their grade level. So I wanted the banner to be, you know, something personal to their grade level so that they can, you know, be proud of it. They signed a bully pledge. They each got a bully pledge card. It's a big, huge banner that I made myself, and everyone in the school signed it. So yes, I mean, they've been very receptive to the activities this month, and I think they had a blast. They had a blast today. I'm so proud of them. They did such a great job today. I am proud of each and every one of those children. Yes, and I'm so blessed to be here on this campus.